your arm, okay, your hands placed on the waist and along the collarbone. So you slide your finger along the collarbone and where it hits the front shoulder girdle, okay, go down about 1 thumb length. Okay, there's an indentation here. Okay, so when you press it, it should feel quite sore and painful, especially if you have chronic neck cough. Alright, so this is one point where you can massage frequently to help ease the cough. And second tip is avoid cold foods. Please